China sent us an interesting new construction problem, Chuck. In this email, she says, I've recently purchased a new construction home and the builder is completely ignoring my warranty items. They are not responding to my calls or emails. Do you have any advice on what I should do next, Chuck?
Yeah, call an attorney. It's time to send out that, hey, you agreed to do a certain thing, you are not doing it letter. That's the long and the short of it. A lot of builders, the good builders, generally don't do that sort of thing. And I know there's frequently a disagreement as to what is quickly responding. But once you've given them a reasonable amount of time, if they aren't responding, call them. Just bug them, squeaky wheels and all that. But if you've gotten to the point where they are not returning your call, time to talk to an attorney.
Yeah. So, and I would also suggest, especially if the builder is a member, and I'm hoping many of them are. Was it the Home Builders? They changed their name a while ago.
Yeah, they did. The BIA.
What is it? Builders
Industry of Association, something like that.
I was so comfortable with Home Builders Association.
I know, and I still call them the Home Builders.
Yeah.
But and I know they have a mediation
platform,
platform that you can go on to. But if they're not returning your calls, a little shock might not be out of order.
I agree. Incidentally, if you would like to see, we do video emails, updates twice a month. If you want to subscribe, easy enough, go to www.wesellouisville.tv. That's wesellouisville.tv.